So today we will study select statement. So if this is a table, depending on the query, the select statement will return us. So what do you think? What will be the output of this query? What will be the output of this query? The entire table.
That table, yes sir.
Then this entire stuff will be the output.
Yes sir.
Okay, what will be the output of this query? Now what will be the output of this query?
The full only the name, e-name column.
This,
Yes.
correct? So depending on the query what we will fire, the table will return us. What will be the output of this query? Now tell me.
The e-name table.
What?
Less than 103 Charles.
No, I'm asking only for the name. I'm asking only for the names. I'm asking only for the names. And what will be the output of this query?
Number.
Now what will be the output of this query?
103, 104 Charles and Dog. Number and
So this will be the output. Yes or no? So depending on the query what we will fire, the table will return us. So where will we store all this? Whatever the table will return, we will store in a result set. Where will we store that? Result set. So for this query, what is the result set? This is the result set. And by so we will make an object of this result set rs. We will make an object of this result set rs. And now by default it will point to the first row. Where will it point to? First row. By default it will point to the heading. By default it will point to the heading, and then we can navigate it by saying rs dot next. By saying what?
rs dot next.
So we can put a loop. We can put a loop while what? Rs dot, what is the function?
Next.
So next is the method. What is the method of rs which we will use? While rs dot next. And then we can navigate. We can put a while loop and then we can navigate. So whatever the table will return, whatever the query will return, that will be stored where? In the rs result set. So that's why I sent you all on the WhatsApp. The LHS for the select query will always be a result set object. Will be a result set object. And the LHS for a non-select query was a integer variable. Correct?
Yes.
So now let's fire these 4 queries. Which is the first query we will fire?
Start from EMP.
Okay, so let's see how that query works. Select star from EMP. Okay, so I'll just copy the stuff which I need. So select star from EMP is statement or prepared statement? Tell me.
Statement.
Why?
Because
कौन बोल रहा है ये? Yes, why? Select star from EMP. I will use statement or prepared statement.
Sir, a statement.
Why?
Sir, because it is static.
Yes, because there are no arguments in it, right? So I will use what? Statement. I'll make object of statement. Am I clear? And one more thing I'll require now.
Yes.
What will I require? One more thing.
Result set.
Result set RS. Okay. So are we clear till here? So what will we do? We are using select using statement, right?
Yes.
Statement, connection, string, query, and the result set RS. These two lines will be fixed. Now tell me, in statement, what do we do? Query first or object first?
Object first, then query.
Yeah, so I have taken the st over here. So I'll do what? St equals to the connection over here, right? Con dot create statement. What will we write?
Create statement.
So I have created the st over here. Then I'm just using st equals to con dot create statement. What will be the query?
Start from EMP.
Okay. Now let's fire the query. So execute query or execute update now. Execute query or execute update.
And execute query.
Why?
Query, sir.
Why execute query?
Sir, because it is select query.
सही बात है. तो यहाँ पर देखो execute query क्या execute update
Execute query because of select.
है ना. select है इसके लिए execute query और उसके LHS में क्या रहेगा?
Result set.
ठीक है ना. ये पहले डिस्कस हुआ था. अब ये प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे उसको. तो क्या रहेगा? RS equals to st dot execute query. And which query are we executing? So what will be in the RS now? So as a programmer you should know what will be in the RS. What will be in the RS? The entire table.
The entire table.
So how will I loop through the RS? How will I loop through the RS? While
Yes.
What? While RS dot?
RS dot next.
Yes. So we'll put a loop and this will navigate us to the entire RS. So while RS dot next, and this will be the while loop. Okay. Now which is the first column which we are going to display?
E-number.
E-number is integer or string?
Integer.
So when we were using PS, when we were using prepared statement, we were using set int. What we were using?
Set in.
Because that time we were writing. Now we are reading, so we will use get int. What will you write?
Get in.
System dot out dot
Println.
what? RS dot
Get in.
get int. Now do you know the column name or you know the column index? So
Column.
this is the first column. Second column is
E-name.
so get.
String.
So if you know the column name, you can write the column name also over here, but in a string format, or you can just use the index as per your convenience. And third will be,
Sal.
so if you can either write sal like this or you can just write 3. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Then always close the st, always close the connection. main close, class close. So far so good.
Yes.
How will I save this as?
Select statement.
Select statement. Dot Java. So first let's have a look at the table. So this is our table. How many rows are there in this table?
Three.
How many?
Rows now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
So that should be your output. So when I compile and run this, this should be our expected output. Java C select state compiled,
Yes, sir.
and Java select statement. All the records Alice, Ben, Ajay, Dominic, Eric, Frank, all 6 are there.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want them in one row, one record for one row, then what you can do is, what we have given is, we have given three print statements, no? So you can just concat them one after the other. You can just, what you can do is concat them one after the other, so it will give you the feeling of one record. So this is how you concat them. Am I clear? And then you can erase these two not required. And if you want to put space between them, after this plus, give a space, empty space, and plus again. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this will add a space between them. So like this, and click. Save. Go to command prompt. Compile and run. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Now if you change the query, the records will change. So now let's fire this query now. Which query?
Second query.
What is that?
E-name.
Only the employee
Select
names.
E-name from EMP.
Okay, so now I'll copy this as it is and save it next. And what I'm changing over here is only the query. So what?
Query.
Where? What is the query? What?
E-name.
Which is this? Select e-name from employee. Select.
Yeah.
Select e-name from employee. Okay. Now what will this return tell me? So as a developer, you should know what will be the output of the query. What will this return?
E-name.
Only one column, no?
Yes. Yes.
So will this make sense? RS1, RS e-name, RS2.
No, sir.
So we'll have only one. That will be
rs.getString.
yes.
That is E-name.
Or you can write one, because we have only one column, no, in the RS.
One, yes.
Or you can write one. Am I understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is the number of columns in the RS, not in the table. Understood?
Yes.
Or you can write the column name, whatever you feel convenient. Let's save it. I'll have to save it by a different name. So I will give it what? Select statement 2. Okay.
Yes.
I copy it, save it, and now let's compile this. Let's clear the screen. Let's compile it. Compile. And these are the outputs. Clear?
Yes.
And now let's take this query now, the last one. If you want to see employee name having more than salary 1000, what you have to do over here? Just change the query. For employee names earning more than 1000, what will we do? Clear?
Yes.
Save it, compile and run will output you only those people. Clear? So now let's do using prepared statement. Let's do using.
Prepared statement.
So accept the employee number and display records of that employee. What is the question? What is the question?
Give the employee number and display.
Records of that employee. Clear? So for that I'll require scanner. For that I will require scanner. So I've imported scanner. Done. And I'll make an object of that class scanner sc new scanner. What do you want? You want to search by name or by number? What do you want to search by?
So by number.
By number. So I'll have over here integer a and enter employee number to search, and that will go into a. Yes or no? And here what do I require? Statement or prepared statement?
Prepared statement.
And I'll make an object as ps. In ps what? Query first or object first?
Query first. Query
So
first.
what is the query? What will be the query? Tell me.
Query equal to
Select details of that employee whose number we are passing. Select
star employee where e number is
question mark. Clear? And now create the ps. ps equals to con dot prepare statement.
prepared statement.
For which query? For this query.
the
And now prepare. Prepared ऊपर आता है. Prepared आता है declare करते वक्त. D आता है declare करते. यहाँ पर prepare आएगा. ठीक है. अब कितने क्वेश्चन मार्क को वैल्यू सेट करना है? एक ही क्वेश्चन मार्क है ना? उसका वैल्यू क्या रहेगा उसका? और अभी क्या कर देंगे? rs.execute query. यहाँ पर हमने यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में दे दिया है ना क्वेरी, तो यहाँ देने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसका ब्रैकेट खाली रहेगा. और फिर उसके डिटेल्स शो करने ना, डिटेल्स डिस्प्ले करने हैं. तो पहला आएगा उसका इंटीजर, फिर दूसरा क्या आएगा? स्ट्रिंग, और तीसरा क्या आएगा?
सैलरी इंटीजर आएगा.
ये समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? ये 1 2 3 क्या है? इसका समझना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब हम ये अगर मैंने पास किया है 102, क्या पास किया है? तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा मेरा आरएस में? ये आरएस में आएगा ना मेरा. तो इसके लिए ये मेरा कॉलम क्या है? 1 है. ये मेरा कॉलम क्या है?
2.
और ये मेरा कॉलम क्या है?
3.
तो इसके लिए 1 के लिए क्या यूज किया? गेट इंट. 2 के लिए और 3 के लिए
गेट इंट.
इसके लिए देखो गेट इंट, गेट स्ट्रिंग और गेट इंट. क्लियर?
गेट इंट.
And now I save this. I'll have to save it by a name, no? इसको क्या देना है? Select 3 दे देंगे. क्या दे देंगे इसको? Select statement. इसको दे देंगे. Select नहीं है ना ये. Select statement नहीं है. ये select prepared statement. ये है select prepared statement. ये है select prepared. ओके, इसको सेव करते हैं .java और इसको अभी कंपाइल करेंगे. तो जावा सिलेक्ट प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट आ गया। क्या बोल रहा है ये क्वेरी, क्या बोल रहा है, st को क्लोज कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग, नीचे क्या क्लोज कर रहे हैं हम लोग ने क्या डिक्लेयर किया है, ps, और डिक्लेयर और क्लोज क्या कर रहे हैं नीचे, यूज क्या कर रहे हैं, st को यूज कर रहे हैं क्वेरी फायर करते वक्त, और क्लोज करते वक्त भी st यूज कर रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए वो ये दोनों क्लोज करेंगे। ये ट्रबल शूटिंग आपको आ जाना चाहिए, छोटी छोटी। कंपाइल, now if I enter 102, आउटपुट क्या आएगा, बेन का रिकॉर्ड, yes or no? Okay, display me the name and salary of the employee, तो don't display me his details, just display me his name and salary, तो just display me his name and salary, so what will be,
तो सर गेटिंग नहीं आएगा,
yes,
फर्स्ट वाला
तो
नहीं आएगा।
सिर्फ क्या चाहिए मुझे, नेम और सैलरी चाहिए ना, तो सिर्फ इतना चाहिए। तो इतना अगर मैं लेता हूं तो मेरा RS का जो वैल्यू है वो कौन सा यूज कर रहा हूं मैं, RS का सिर्फ आई विल बी यूजिंग RS व्हाट 1 and 2, नो सिर्फ,
यस सर।
तो 1 क्या है अभी,
स्ट्रिंग है,
और 2 क्या है,
और 2 गेट इंट है।
बस ब्यूटीफुल, ये चेंजेस करने आना चाहिए अभी। तो अभी हम कर रहे हैं सिलेक्ट प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट 2, जिसमें क्वेरी क्या रहेगी, सिलेक्ट ई नेम कॉमा सैल, नहीं ये सैल है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, ये वाला निकल जाएगा, ये निकल जाएगा। तो मेरे RS में ये स्ट्रिंग 1 पे क्या 2 पे है अभी,
तो 1,
ये स्ट्रिंग 1 पे है ना, तो वो चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा आपको। तो ये स्ट्रिंग 1 हो जाएगा और ये int 2 हो जाएगा। इसका नाम क्या सेव किया है मैंने, सिलेक्ट प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट 2 सेव किया, .java, इसको कंपाइल करेंगे, जावा से सिलेक्ट प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट 2.java, कंपाइल एंड जावा, तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा, मैंने एंटर किया 102, तो अभी सिर्फ नाम और सैलरी आएगा। क्लियर?
हाँ सर।
Are you comfortable with prepared statement also now?
यस सर।
ठीक है, अब हमारा बचता है सिर्फ AWT से कैसे करना।